final projects for ME 333 Introduction to Mechatronics. It consists of students from mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and biomedical engineering. And they're learning how to interface microcontrollers with sensors and actuators. The purpose of this course is to give students the tools they need to be able to express their creativity in the form of final projects. So they're learning in this class how to take some of what they've learned in their theoretical courses and apply it to really fun and interesting projects.
We had several labs before we had our final project due, and during one lab, me and my partner were working on some wireless communication, and we were thinking about how cool it would be if we could just wirelessly do different things, and the idea of playing a guitar wirelessly came up, and we decided to pursue that project. There were kind of like two sides to the project. There was the hardware, so wiring up all the motors and the circuitry associated with the robot. And then there's the software side, which was programming, interfacing with the Wii remote, and making sure the signals got sent to the microcontroller correctly.
The idea is we wanted to play music with our heart. So we have a little finger sensor, which is not on me right now, which senses your heartbeat, and we beat a drum in time with your heartbeat. If you start with this project and you break it down into little component parts, I mean, you talk about that and you do that in math class maybe. Oh, you've got a big programming project or something, you know, you got to break it into parts. And this is kind of a programming project too, but I think it's an actual, like, physical, tangible project. So you really have to apply what we learn, you know, what you do in class. And this is a great, like, example of how you do it in real life, you know, just making stuff if you're a design engineer. So I think I take the process and the patience from this.
Well, whenever you're dealing with electronics, challenges always come up, including a wire that just pulls out, or a solder joint that, you know, cracks, or things burning out. I mean, halfway through we had to switch motors, and that's always a challenge. But you know, you truck through it. I mean, you got to keep going. That's what any project's all about.